Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Heavenly Father, we are all very grateful as we gathered today to celebrate the 80th birthday of Perth Chindy Papilero. Bless today that this event will be full, that we will all treasure. And lastly, Lord, bless this food we are about to eat and this bounty which we are about to receive. And bounty of your presence, Lord. Tonight, we celebrate womanhood, and most of us present this evening have witnessed Chindy blossom into a fine, young, beautiful lady. We're here, friends. Here is a sneak peek of Chindy's 18 years of existence in this wonderful world.
You will be always in our heart. Inday Chinchin. Happy birthday.
Thank you, tita.
Laga na gito.
Kamu ba?
Ayaw ka gito.
Sulti pala ka daan. Nagkanta sa kaban people.
Happy birthday, Jane. And 18 years of age.
Sorry ha.
Since you were still young, I treasure you in my heart. I have this small gift for you. I hope that you will like it.
Oji.
Thank
you. Thank
Like cheerful kayo na pagkatuan and yeah.
Yay.
I wish you all the love, success, and happiness in this world. Again, happy birthday.
Yay.
Sa mama, sa
Yes.
papa. Oh, mama and papa, understand ba na? So karon, okay na ng boyfriend.
Yes, I love you, babe.
Happy
Yay.
birthday.
That and imong faithfulness and imong strength bisag 18 pa ka has kanang shown.
Dili pagkakuan nga kay na adulthood ka na, mananingan buhatong insakto. Naaman mo kung ginikaran, si ante, si angkol, mga luda, pananaanin. Hinahot inday na kaning kahayag sa kandila, maghayag sa imong kaugmahon, kanahan. Nga walay magmalampuson ka sa imong pagtungha, hindi dahil pag-isip.
Dai, obey your parents first, and then study sa unya na siya.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Shin!
Uy, hala.
So, di ba, yung movie na
Gusto ka maghuman o eskwela, ay gusto ka to-enjoy sa mong life. So, karon first step, 18 na ka, so mature na ka, so expect me nga. Kaya naman desisyon, imong muna-hunahon. So, naarami, may support.
Oh, kantahan siya na to, happy birthday.
Okay, we love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
thank you to you all for coming today. It's great to see everybody, and I hope you're all having a good time. Well, I keep it short and sweet. I'd like to thank my parents for everything they've done for me, not just for today, but throughout my life. Thanks to my uncle, lola, and parents sa tanan ni Ari sa ako uncle for helping today and for making this event as one of the unforgettable celebration of my life. To my uncle, thank you for decorating like all around To my mamita and Auntie Amy, Mami Luna, and Auntie Grace, thank you. Kabaw na ko isa sa isaon na ni Ari. List of things my life. Most noteworthy, this day, I promise not to take another day for granted. The gifts this evening have come from everyone, and I'm grateful to all. To me, big or small doesn't matter. A gift is a gift. Above all, each gift holds a special place in my heart. Gifts give us unforgettable, precious memories. The images of stunning, vibrant gift wrappers can never leave my mind. I thank you all for making this day special with all these lovely gifts. I wish the day went on forever. I had fun with all of you around. I love you all so much. Thanks to all for being here. And lastly, to Mama and Papa, thank you for giving birth to me without my permission. And also for raising me. Thanks.
And above all, the parents of our day will thank for a short message for making this night a memorable one. At your young age, studies, you're very dedicated. And be a good ate to your brothers. Si Tonton, si Pete, you have to guide them. And we are very proud of you. Okay, so stay strong and be happy and open-minded. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of the non-curfew hours.
Yay! Thank you for our MC at Hara. Thank you.
high school pa masigilang. Kuan man, nauso man ron ang kanang K-12. Bisod kayo, Tino, na nakamodule, Tino. Maayo kayo kay nakaapas mo sa inyong pagtuon gamit ng internet. Hinaot nga, dili mo magpabadlong ni Papa o Mama nimo. Dili magbinuntagay o module.
Happy 18th birthday, Chindy. I hope to see you you one of these days or in the future. I just want to let you know that your mom is such a great mentor to me, not only in dancing but as well in my life before, and she was just like my older sister. So seeing you being this grown up wonderful lady, I'm just so proud of you and to her. So know that I'm here anytime you need to. So I wish you all the best and wonderful time on your birthday. May God grant whatever your heart's desire, and dream big. Know that it's all possible, whatever you want to happen in your life. So have a blast, and aloha and kisses from Hawaii.
Hi Chin, Tita Luna here. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. And now you're a lady, life will be more complicated. Just don't rush on anything and be happy of what you have right now. And always listen to your parents, especially to your mom, because moms knows best. Again, happy birthday from all of us here in Arizona.
Hi, Happy Tintin. Enjoy your day. Nagali ipin na jud ka. Dili na gyud makapugong sila si mama nimo, ug papa nimo nga. Basta muna, pero stay sweet lang gihapon ug padayon sa imong pagkapunan.